Welcome to today's video about the benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. What if I told you there was a simple beverage you could make this evening that could transform your life? What if I told you this drink has been cherished for centuries to treat various ailments and enhance health? And what if I told you it's made with just 2 basic ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen? This is turmeric water, and tonight we'll delve into 10 amazing benefits of consuming it before bedtime. But there's more. We'll also guide you on how to prepare the perfect cup of turmeric water and share some tips to maximize its benefits. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned until the end for a valuable tip that will boost the effectiveness of your turmeric water. So, if you're ready to uncover the power of turmeric water, grab a cup and join us on this intriguing journey. A quick reminder, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Let's dive into the benefits of turmeric water, starting with number 1, regulating blood sugar levels. Regulate blood sugar levels. Turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Recent studies reveal that curcumin, turmeric's active compound, can help regulate blood sugar by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. A study in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that curcumin supplementation improved fasting blood glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that curcumin lowers blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes that convert carbohydrates into glucose. Drinking turmeric water at night is an easy and effective way to incorporate this beneficial spice into your diet, potentially lowering fasting blood glucose levels and boosting insulin sensitivity, which can significantly benefit your overall health. Improves brain function. Turmeric water has recently garnered significant attention for its potential health benefits, especially in enhancing brain function. Research indicates that curcumin, the active component in turmeric, can boost cognitive abilities and memory while lowering the risk of Alzheimer's disease. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in individuals with mild age-related memory loss. Curcumin achieves this by reducing brain inflammation, which can impair cognitive function, and increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes new brain cell growth and enhances synaptic plasticity. Consuming turmeric water at night can help you harness these brain-boosting benefits, making it a worthwhile addition to your evening routine for improved brain power. Reduces anxiety and depression. Turmeric water at night can also play a significant role in reducing anxiety and depression. Recent research highlights the remarkable properties of curcumin, turmeric's primary active ingredient, known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective effects. A study titled Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments explores curcumin's impact on combating anxiety and depression. Alongside curcumin, turmeric contains over 100 beneficial compounds, such as turmerone and elamine, which enhance its positive effects. Drinking turmeric water at night helps promote the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. This natural remedy acts as an antidepressant and improves sleep quality, essential for mental health. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can be a powerful way to manage anxiety and depression, adding a touch of golden goodness to your life. Supports liver health. Turmeric is renowned for its medicinal properties, largely due to its unique compounds called curcuminoids. Curcumin is the most well-known, but other substances like dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin also significantly support liver health. Recent research shows these compounds exhibit potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. A study published in Antioxidants in 2020 revealed that curcuminoids help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Additionally, turmeric water at night supports bile production, crucial for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that turmeric extract improves liver function by increasing bile production and flow. To show some love to your liver, consider drinking a glass of warm turmeric water before bedtime. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water at night is a popular remedy for weight loss, and for good reason. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2019 discovered that turmerone, alongside curcumin, helps reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism. This suggests that drinking turmeric water before bed might enhance your body's ability to burn fat during sleep. Additionally, research from the Journal of Functional Foods in 2018 indicated that turmeric consumption boosts bile production in the liver, which is essential for breaking down fats, promoting better digestion, and aiding weight loss. So why not try turmeric water tonight? Relieves joint pain. Turmeric water at night can significantly alleviate joint pain due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Besides curcumin, turmeric contains over 200 unique compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds work together to inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which cause joint pain and stiffness. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2016 found that a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils provided better pain relief and improved joint function in individuals with osteoarthritis compared to curcumin alone. This golden elixir not only eases joint pain, but also promotes better sleep due to its natural soothing effect on the nervous system. Improves digestion. Turmeric water at night can enhance digestion by stimulating bile production, aiding in fat breakdown. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce digestive system inflammation, promoting better digestion. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, is renowned for its digestive benefits. However, other turmeric compounds like turmerone and turmerin also support healthy digestion. A 2015 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that turmerone increases digestive enzyme production, improving digestion. Another study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2018 indicated that turmerin can protect against digestive disorders by reducing gut inflammation. Nevertheless, turmeric can interact with certain medications, so consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet. Boosts immunity. Turmeric contains unique compounds beyond curcumin that synergistically enhance the immune system. One such compound, gingerol, has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, neutralizing free radicals that can damage cells and boosting the immune system's ability to fight infections. Another compound, bis-dimethoxycurcumin, stimulates the production of white blood cells, crucial for combating infections. It also activates the immune response to pathogens, making it easier for the body to defend against invaders. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine not only strengthens your immune system, but also enhances overall health and well-being. Promotes healthy skin. Drinking turmeric water at night is like a secret potion for glowing skin that has been treasured for generations. This powerful elixir can transform dull, tired skin into a radiant complexion. Turmeric is more than just a spice. It is a natural gift loaded with health-promoting compounds. While curcumin is the most famous, turmeric also contains turmerone and R-turmerone, which work together to promote healthy skin. These compounds have been shown to boost collagen production, the protein responsible for skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. By increasing collagen production, turmeric water can help reverse the signs of aging, providing a more youthful appearance. Additionally, turmeric water can help fight acne and other skin infections. To unlock the secret to beautiful, glowing skin, try drinking turmeric water at night. Before we reveal the last and most exciting benefit of turmeric water, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. This helps us spread the word and inspire more people to take control of their health with the power of natural remedies. Thank you for your support. Improves erectile dysfunction. Turmeric has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including erectile dysfunction, ED. Besides its well-known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric contains unique compounds that may help improve ED. One such compound is R-turmerone, which has been shown in studies to stimulate the production of adult stem cells in the brain. This is promising because stem cells can regenerate damaged tissue, including nerve tissue, which plays a role in ED. Another compound found in turmeric is xanthorazole, which has antispasmodic properties. This means it may help relax the smooth muscles in the penis, allowing for increased blood flow and improved erections. If you're looking for a natural way to potentially improve ED symptoms, consider adding turmeric water to your nightly routine. How to prepare turmeric water? Preparing turmeric water is simple, and there are a few methods you can use. Here are 2 easy ways to make turmeric water. Method 1. Turmeric powder and water. 1. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of water. Optional: a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a teaspoon of honey for taste. 2. Instructions: boil the water and let it cool slightly. Stir in the turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper and honey if desired. Mix well and drink while warm. Method 2. Fresh turmeric root. 1. Ingredients: 1 to 2 inches of fresh turmeric root, grated. 1 cup of water. Optional: a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of honey. 2. Instructions: boil the water and let it cool slightly. Add the grated turmeric root to the water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup. Add black pepper and honey if desired. Mix well and drink while warm. Incorporate turmeric water into your nightly routine to enjoy its numerous health benefits. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. Instructions: 1. In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 5. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. 6. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. Method 2. Fresh turmeric root and water. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root about 2 inches long, 2 cups water. Instructions: 1. Rinse the turmeric root under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Grate the turmeric root using a fine grater or chop it into small pieces. 3. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. 4. Add the grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water and stir well. 5. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. 6. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 7. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. 8. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. You can enhance your turmeric water with a bit of honey, lemon, or ginger for extra flavor and added health benefits. Just be sure to stir well before drinking. It's also wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have a medical condition. As we conclude our exploration of the incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water at night, we hope you're inspired to try this powerful drink. From reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin to boosting brain function and aiding in weight loss, the potential benefits of turmeric water are numerous and impressive. However, remember that turmeric water is not a miracle cure-all and should not replace medical treatment or advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Did you know that there are several other ways to boost your testosterone level and prostate health naturally? We invite you to watch a more detailed video on this subject. Check the first pinned comment for more information. We hope you enjoyed learning about turmeric water and that you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.